As Dad sharpened the axes in the dim light of the garage, preparing to cut firewood for the approaching winter storm, a shiver crept up his spine. The rhythmic scrape of the grinder brought back flashes of Jack Torrance from The Shining. Wild-eyed and muttering, his axe swinging with terrifying purpose. Dad shook his head with a chuckle, pushing the thought aside, but as the storm grows closer, he has to remind himself, just don't go crazy.
All right, so the weather is, it's actually 70 degrees right now. It is Saturday in Alabama. It is what is today, the 18th? I think today's the 18th. Yeah. So today's the 18th, which is a Saturday. They are saying tomorrow's going to be in the 40s. Monday's going to get cold. Tuesday, they are saying we may get 2 inches to 3 inches of snow. For Alabama, that's a lot of snow. I know for you, some of you folks getting 12 and 24 inches, it ain't nothing. But for us, it's a lot of snow. So we are preparing today for the snowstorm in Alabama 2025. So I gotta run to the store. I gotta get some burl from a chainsaw. I got a tree that needs to be cut up. We're gonna burn a fire. I think we got about, they're saying 4 days of below freezing temperatures consistently. So I'm gonna cut this tree up in next couple of days and have some firewood to burn for the 4 days that it's gonna be below freezing. We don't necessarily need that. We have heat, but in Alabama, we don't get snow that much, so we are celebrating it with the smell of a fire inside and a white covered lawn outside. So that's what we're going for. That's what we're preparing for. I'm running to the store to get some gas for the four-wheeler in case the kids want to ride in the snow. Getting some burl for the chainsaw to cut this tree up and get it split up. Yeah, man. So we're preparing for the winter storm in Alabama 2025.
Dad, is this big enough?
Yeah. Hey guys. Jake. Y'all, while we're chopping, especially those axes, we got to be sure who's around. Because if we miss and you hit somebody, it's going to come. Y'all got to be far enough away to where if you miss, you don't hit nobody. Twigs need to be cut off of this.
Is this big enough, Dad? Right here?
You can start splitting. But I still need tape measure. Don't dig it into the dirt. All right, back up. Y'all can start doing that on all those twigs. We need those as much as we need the wood. Okay? Roll it, help him roll it.
I got it.
All right, come on.
Looks like I found this one.
Roll your boat. All right, cool. Right there. Thank you. All right.
Jackson, that's a huge one. Probably
So-
like as much as wood.
We didn't know the size of log splitter that we were going to get. My fireplace can take 2.5 foot, 30-inch logs, so we cut them all 30 inches, and the log splitter only cuts about 20 inches. So now we're having to recut all the wood that we cut initially to split it. And no, we tried using an axe, and I'm old and worn out, and I couldn't split them, and my boys ain't got enough weight on them to split them. So we got a log splitter. And my chainsaw bar is bent, so I don't want to hear any comments on how I'm about to cut this log. I'm going to do whatever I got to do to get through it, because I only got 4 more to cut and we're done. But my bar is bent, so when cutting, instead of cutting straight, it cuts like this. It's very annoying.
I guess we're gonna fix it.
cutting, and she comes in like the brass on fire. What's wrong with her?
When you grow up in the country, fire becomes a way of life. Old furniture, piles of brush, last season's junk mail. If it's not nailed down, it's fair game for the burn pile. Out here, a good fire isn't just about getting rid of stuff. It's a tradition, a little bit of cleanup mixed with a lot of satisfaction, and sometimes an excuse to stand around with friends while the flames do their work.
put that right there. We'll continue to cut right here. Welcome to Growing Up Country Outdoors. Yeah, keep going.
This way?
Yeah, the yard part, yeah.
It ain't gonna get hot enough when